In the last video, I showed you how to use get and a past participle for negative outcomes or negative situations. In this video, I'll show you how to use get and a past participle for positive situations. These verbs are all used for positive outcomes or positive situations. Use pay when receiving money. This usually is at work. Pay, pay, paid. You get paid. I got paid. When do you get paid? He didn't get paid. This is a way to form the passive voice. You could use be, some form of be, and the past participle. But in this video, I'll use get, and the past participle is the main verb. The verb get indicates the verb tense, present tense, past tense, future tense. When someone gives you money for work that you do, you get paid. In the present tense, he gets paid on Friday. In the past tense, he got paid on Friday. And for the future, use will and get. He will get paid on Friday. Or the contraction he and will, he'll get paid on Friday. Invite, invited, invited. When someone asks you to do something or go somewhere, you get invited. They got invited to a rally. Hire, hired, hired is used for a job. When someone asks you to work at a company, you get hired. They got hired to cut some trees. Approve, approved, approved. A thing or a person is approved, meaning that it can go forward or something can happen. Accept, accepted, accepted. This is similar to the verb approved. If a person gets accepted, then he or she is welcomed into an organization. Or sometimes this is used for applications. The words accept and approve are both used for applications. Our application got approved. We got accepted. Motivate, motivated, motivated. A person who gets motivated has a good reason to do something. How do you get motivated to improve your English? A person who wants a positive outcome could say, I hope to, and then get, and then the past participle. I hope to get invited. I hope to get invited. This would be for a party or some type of social gathering. I hope to get hired by a company or an individual. Use this for a company or an individual who may hire you. I hope to get accepted. This would be for entry into an organization, or this could be used for an application, similar to get approved. I hope to get approved. This is often used for applications. Get motivated. What do you do to get motivated? Here's the past participle for the word motivate. What do you do to get motivated? What do you think of? What kind of action do you take in order to do something, to get started or to get inspired?